Looking to turn your motorcycle into a high-tech machine while staying safe on the road? From ultra-loud alarm locks to waterproof phone mounts to futuristic helmet LEDs and long-range intercoms, these gadgets are total game changers. Today, we're counting down the top 7 essential motorcycle gadgets you can buy on Amazon right now to upgrade your ride. Let's jump right in. Number 7. YOHOOLYO Motorcycle Alarm Disc Lock. Worried about your bike or scooter getting stolen? This ultra-loud alarm disc lock can secure your ride in just seconds. This is the YOHOOLYO Alarm Disc Lock. Built with a solid metal body, it's completely rust-resistant, weatherproof, and nearly impossible to break. It features a universal 7mm locking pin that fits almost any motorcycle, bicycle, or scooter disc brake with ease. What makes it special is the built-in motion sensor. If anyone tampers with your vehicle, it triggers a deafening 110 decibel alarm to scare off thieves. Plus, in the box, you get 2 security keys, an Allen wrench, 6 backup batteries, a bright 5-foot reminder cable, and a handy carry pouch. For budget-friendly motorcycle protection, this gadget is a total lifesaver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Number 6. EXTRACTME Motorcycle Dual USB Charger and Voltmeter. Never run out of phone battery on long rides again. This dual USB fast charger is a must-have upgrade for every motorcycle. This is the EXTRACTME Dual USB Charger. Featuring Quick Charge 3.0 technology, it can juice your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. It also comes with a built-in LED digital voltmeter that monitors your bike's battery health in real time. With its waterproof and dustproof rubber cover, you don't have to worry about heavy rain. The integrated on-off switch prevents power draining when left unused, and it easily mounts onto any standard motorcycle handlebar. Number 5. Wheel Accessories Parts 24-piece black motorcycle spoke wraps and skins cover. Want to give your bike a custom, aggressive look on a budget? These universal spoke wraps instantly transform your wheels while protecting them from dirt and rust. This 24-piece kit by Wheel Accessories Parts is made from high-quality, durable plastic that is heat-resistant and built to last. Designed to fit dirt bikes, street bikes, and dual sports, these covers protect your original spokes from corrosion, grime, and road debris. Installation is a breeze. Thanks to the smart pre-cut side slit, you can snap them directly onto your spokes without removing the wheel. You can easily trim them to match your exact rim size for a clean, custom aesthetic. Number 4. Here is the full English voiceover script and review setup for Product 4. Product 4. Vuzique Waterproof Motorcycle Phone Mount with Vibration Dampener. English voiceover script. Stop risking your smartphone camera on rough rides. This heavy-duty waterproof phone mount protects your phone from water, shocks, and road vibrations. The Vuzique motorcycle mount features an integrated vibration dampener that absorbs high-frequency engine shocks, keeping your phone's delicate camera optical image stabilization completely safe. Plus, its IP67 fully enclosed waterproof case allows full touchscreen control even during heavy rainfall. It offers 360-degree rotation so you can easily switch between portrait and landscape modes for GPS navigation. With a magnetic base and universal handlebar clamp, it fits almost any phone and motorcycle setup effortlessly. Footage search keywords for YouTube clips. Search these terms on YouTube to find footage. Vuzique Waterproof Motorcycle Phone Holder. Motorcycle phone mount with vibration dampener test. Waterproof phone mount for motorcycle review. Number 3. Motorcycle cup holder or water bottle cage for handlebars. English voiceover script. Staying hydrated on long rides has never been easier. This heavy-duty motorcycle cup holder keeps your drink secure even on bumpy roads. Designed with high-strength materials, this drink holder features an adjustable clamping design that accommodates various bottle sizes, from energy cans to large water flasks. Its inner rubber grip prevents slipping and keeps your container firmly in place without scratching. Thanks to its 360-degree rotating mount, you can install it horizontally or vertically on your handlebars, crash bars, or frame tubes.
It clamps on in under a minute with zero hassle, making it a super practical addition for daily commutes and touring. Footage search keywords for YouTube clips. Search these terms on YouTube to find footage. Motorcycle handlebar cup holder review. Motorcycle drink holder installation. Universal motorcycle water bottle cage. Number 2. Motorcycle helmet LED light strip or warning night signal kit. English voiceover script. Want to look like you just rode out of a sci-fi movie while staying visible at night? This futuristic helmet LED light strip turns heads while keeping you ultra safe. This light kit attaches directly to your helmet, projecting a high brightness glow that significantly increases your visibility to other drivers in rain, fog, or dark nights. It features multiple lighting modes, including steady on, slow flash, and fast strobe, operated by a compact controller. Made with flexible, low-power LED light strips, it is fully waterproof and weather-resistant. The heavy-duty 3M adhesive backing ensures it sticks firmly to any full-face or modular helmet without damaging the paint, leaving zero residue if removed. Footage search keywords for YouTube clips. Search these terms on YouTube to find footage. Motorcycle helmet LED light strip review. DIY helmet night signal light installation. Tron-style motorcycle helmet LED light. Number 1. Here is the full English voiceover script and review setup for Product 7, the final product. Product 7. Lexan B4 FM Motorcycle Bluetooth Headset or Helmet Intercom. English voiceover script. Stay connected with your crew and enjoy your favorite music at high speeds. This feature-packed Bluetooth helmet headset is an absolute game-changer for group rides. The Lexan B4 FM allows up to 10 riders to connect and talk simultaneously with a massive range of up to 2,000 meters. Equipped with DSP and CVC advanced noise cancellation, it filters out engine roar and wind noise, delivering crystal-clear voice audio even at highway speeds. It features hi-fi stereo speakers, hands-free calling, built-in FM radio, and music sharing between riders. With an IP67 waterproof rating and a long-lasting battery offering up to 15 hours of continuous music or talk time, it's ready for any long touring adventure.